Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Forms date format. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your browser and open Google Forms. When you're here, you have to click sign in, and you can sign in with any of your email, and you can click here. And if I go here and click on date, you can see that this is my current format. Now, if I have to change this format, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, manage your Google account. Once when you're here, you have to click on personal info and come down right to language. Once when you're here, you have to change this. English, Australia, save. Okay. And now, refresh it. Here you go. It is completely changed, and that's how you change the date format in Google Docs. So I hope this video was informative. Do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.